कुछ लग ही नहीं रहा है कुछ है इसमें। What's up you guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Tanisha. In case you're watching me for the very first time, do not forget to like, share, subscribe. And Myntra के वीडियोस मैं बहुत सारे बनाने लगी हूँ आजकल. मतलब I find out the most amount of discounts on Myntra literally almost all the time. And अभी भी शायद currently beauty में 40% off है and fashion पे 50 to 70% off है on their forward section. तो मैंने ना बार्बी टाइप का एक ड्रेस खरीदने के लिए Myntra खोला था and I found out like literally the perfect Barbie dress, obviously pink color. How the dress looks like right now, it's like a halter neck sort of situation, and then you also have this kind of stitching over here as well that gives kind of a corsety look, and then at the bottom we have this beautiful frill ruffle sort of design. And that is not enough, पीछे में you have these long straps that you can tie up a beautiful like a bow sort of design, and this bow literally makes me look like a Barbie. I'm not even kidding. It's from Tokyo Talkies from Myntra, and Tokyo Talkies में ना इतना अफोर्डेबल कलेक्शन होता है बट एट द सेम टाइम इट्स ऑलवेज ऑन ट्रेंड. बट ये भी है कि ये ना बहुत ज़्यादा छोटा भी नहीं है क्योंकि यूजुअली बार्बी ड्रेसेस आर लाइक वेरी शॉर्ट एंड क्यूट एंड ऑल ऑफ दैट. एंड इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर लाइक अ बर्थडे ड्रेस ऑप्शन देन तो भाई दिस इज it you should have from the brand called My Wish List or something like that, My Wish Bag. and मैंने पहली बार इनका collection check out किया था. I think but इनका collection is so trendy. This cobalt blue color is everything to me. Especially the neck cutout is to die for. Like this is such a statement top and this is like one shoulder and एक shoulder पूरा full sleeves है. This is super designer and super amazing. But it's like a knitted sort of material, stretchable material at the same time. It's pretty crop and इसका material जब मैंने पहन के देखा ना ये इतना अच्छा thick वाला material है ना. 547, 549 इस तरह का कुछ तो प्राइस मुझे इसका लगा था. And I've actually paired it up in two different aesthetics. So normal like black baggy pants के साथ भी मैंने इसको किया है try. Little bit of casual sort of look, and then another look that I've created is with these black pants, like long black pants, and with these diamond earrings and everything. It just gives such a classy look. Like I am waiting for a right occasion to wear this top. The pants that I'm wearing are these black pants, long black pants, high waisted pants. 600, 700, 800 के आसपास में आपको बहुत सारे मिल जाएंगे. एक्चुअली कॉटी ब्रांड जो है मिंत्रा में उसमें बहुत सारे बॉटम वेयर है जो कि एकदम अफोर्डेबल रेट्स में है, एंड ऑल्सो दे आर लाइक वेरी स्टेपल वंस यू नो जो हमेशा सबके साथ जाता है. So in the description box you'll see 2-3 options for the black pants that I'll give for you guys. Next up, this t-shirt, very cool and very smart and super comfortable. Obviously oversized t-shirt is something that I absolutely love. It's like a printed sort of texture that you see, very light minty color with lavender detailing on top of it. I've never seen this type of combination before. I was pairing it up with lavender pants, like lavender jogger, very loose pants, cargo style pants. अगर आप कॉलेज जा रहे हो, अभी स्टार्ट होने वाली है कॉलेजेस बहुत लोगों की, and if you want to rock your styling game in the college, oh my god, this is the perfect look. Material is completely cotton and design is very unique. और जो मैं टी शर्ट लेके आई हूँ जो कि है सेम हर शीन बॉक्स से is again this one. This is a crop t-shirt in freaking love with the printing and also it extends to the sleeves as well. तो बहुत cool लगता है. Again this is like a crop sort of style but ये बहुत ज़्यादा loose नहीं है. By the way, if I did not mention, I got this oversized t-shirt in the medium size and this crop t-shirt is actually in the large size but still it's not like very loose or anything of that sort. I think so ये fitted style का ही है. So I went for a blue jeans along with this one and they look amazing. Just go for it. I went for a boot sort of aesthetic with this one but you can go for normal sneakers as well, and I got this one for 404 rupees. So I got this one wow, it looks so good jumpsuit over here, and this is like this denim look का jumpsuit which is from Sassafras. And again आप लोगों को पता होगा Sassafras में बहुत ही अच्छा कलेक्शन होता है. This is in the size medium. Look, it's not denim material इसका normal I think so cotton sort of material होगा. You get a long zip पीछे में तो इसको पहनने में भी एकदम easy रहता है. It got a really cool V neck. I love V necks on myself. Like it just gives a elongated neck का. इसका material इतना comfortable है, इतना ज़्यादा comfortable है. If you want a little bit curves to show and all of that, then you can add like a belt in the waistline, या तो फिर you can add like a fanny pack around your waistline, या तो फिर अगर आप sling bag ऐसे cross body करके बैग ले लोगे तो then also it would do real. इसका ग्रे कलर भी अवेलेबल है, वो भी इतना मस्त वाला मटेरियल है. This is in the size medium which I got for 809 rupees. And last but not the least, I've got this shirt sort of a informal shirt. You know, this is from the H&M section on Myntra. This is a super fancy back cutout. If you want to go overboard, if you want to spice up your shirt का look, then this is the one that you should definitely have. सामने से ना normal सा ऐसे shirt तरह का है. You can button up and everything. Full sleeves वगैरह है. Material is top notch, very good. Obviously आपको iron करके रखना पड़ेगा. इसका जल्दी crease हो जाता है because of the cotton material. And at the back you have this amazing cutout portion over here, and then you also get these straps जो कि आप बांध सकते हो. Like I posted it on Instagram already, and so many people are asking me about the link for this one क्योंकि ये बहुत ही unique style का है. And I personally feel like कि इसके नीचे ना skirt का aesthetic बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. Jeans के साथ मैंने pair किया था basically, but I got this one on Myntra for 499 rupees, and I actually went for a size up in this one क्योंकि इसका जो basic style है ना वो यहाँ पे बहुत tight रहेगा. तो for that reason एक size up अगर आप जाते हो तो it will fit you a little bit better. Anyways, that is pretty much it with today's video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope you guys enjoyed it. All the links are going to be down below in the description box. And if you want to see some college fits or something like that, then let me know down below. I'll see you until next time. Take care of yourself. Bye bye.